Hello everybody. Postman came and I get mail from China. It is supposed to be AN 61 NFB. NFB. This is the right one. So let's do it. I don't have this paste enough. So this will do. And here you can see there's lots of okay. I can put those clips. Like so. The machine back in, use tape and let those buttons to be up position. because when you're moving around, they've always been in wrong position. And now, let's see how it's working. Alignment is correct. Now, you can see here. And now you can put screws. I don't use the torque screws anymore. So what I use Phillips screws and screwdriver. This torque screw, I need always use something like that, and it drops, and I don't have any torque screw series. I don't need any. This is okay. And now it's in place. And last time when I run this, it's go too fast. Maybe I need to check those voltage also. Little metal there. It's easy to forget. It's hold this phone output connection to run this motor. It's spin a little bit too high, and then whoa, and pew, nothing. So I think this motor is also bad. Here also need to be light, some sort. No power. Okay, I'll just play here. Here is my multimeter, and I show those voltage. One over there. Almost well. Is everything okay? So this motor gets voltage but no spin. Damn! I just noticed that this amplifier working now, but without CD player, and now without cassette player. I know what to do with this. This new chip cost me only $2. Less than, no, maybe €2 is very close. But this machine hunting me down. Nothing working. This was end of the part 2. I try to find motor, something like that, and I also lost my radio, because this is 1 month ago and this radio card wasn't in place. Now I don't know where is this. Maybe I have found that. Okay, Thank you for watching.